I, Maria Chanupangmam, on behalf of Honorable the Speaker, Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemchand Singh. Dear Dr. Amit Jain, I am very glad to see that the international fortnightly magazine Chanakya Varta is organizing a 3-day grand event of Purvotar Parisamvad focusing on the northeastern states of India on 1st to 3rd July 2020. As regards, addressing as guest of honor is Manipur State Sessions, I am to apologize for the inconvenience to attend to the function. However, I would like to place a few issues in the session that should not be reported as representing the official views of the state government. The opinions expressed and arguments employed herein are personal. A brief note on the basic problems of the Northeast states in respect of industries, literature, culture, education, journalism, etc. Of course, a great deal of development has taken place in the Northeast, but we have to go a long distance still. In our system, the states are distinct units and each has its problems. Geographically, Northeast India is connected by a 23-kilometer of a narrow stretch of land known as Siliguri Corridor or Chicken's Neck. Northeast states have highly uneven and undulating physiographic as there are more than 19 mountain ranges in the region. The region is underpopulated as 4% of the country's population lives in 8% of an area of the mainland India. The net per capita income of the states of the region are below the all India average of rupees 1,14,958 in 2017-18. And Manipur is the lowest amongst the Northeast states, being rupees 63,121 at current price. The basic problems that imbalance the growth of the region needs to be taken into account for an integrated policy for development of the region. Low agricultural productivity. Northeast produces only 1.5% of the country's total food grains. Agricultural practices are still traditional. Jhum cultivation is still in practice in Manipur, which leads to a large-scale deforestation, soil erosion, and thus loss in soil fertility. Transport and communication. Roads are the nucleus of economic development, more so in the Northeast. Road transportation is an important mode of travel in the hilly areas of Manipur and other northeastern states. Other modes are either too expensive or difficult to construct. Road infrastructure is relatively deficient in the area. Expansion of railway system in the region would facilitate transportation. Education. The region with reference to Manipur suffers from manifold problems. Most of the colleges are not accredited by NAC. Those colleges which are accredited by NAC get woefully lower grade due to such issues as low quality input, inadequate teacher-student ratio, poor communication, etc. As a result, prospective grants are also curtailed. A greater problem is most of the teachers are on contractual basis with lump sum pay, which creates negative feelings towards full dedication of the teachers towards the service. Economic infrastructure. To many, the Northeast region has always been an enigma with very few understanding the geopolitical reality of the region. The term Northeast India comprises the 8 sister states of Arunachal, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and a recent extent Sikkim. This landmass of 2.62 lakh square kilometer covers 7.9% of the total area of country. About 70% of the region is hilly and the topography varies within 8 states. Mountains and hills cover most of the Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and about half of Tripura, 1/5 of the Assam, and 9/10 of Manipur. The economy of the region reflects its backwardness with 56% of workers engaged in agriculture as per Census 2001. The region is industrially very backward with the contribution of this sector being less than 3% in all the states except for Assam and Manipur where it is 12% and 8% respectively. The poverty line in the region is among the highest in the country, with a percentage of population below poverty line in the states ranging from 36 to 29% compared to the all India average of 26%. Manipur, like India, is a plural polity where diverse languages, religions, races, ethnic communities, traditions, and culture exist. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, BJP government at the center is doing a great job to curb the basic problem faced by the northeastern states. The long-due development of the region has been bridged under his leadership and hope further development will take place in the near future. By arranging such kind of national seminar will help in the development of the region in particular and nation as a general. Once again, I would like to thank the organizer for giving me such an opportunity. Jai Hind.